And I know this looks crazy, but the reason for this is because I don't want any fallout, and if there is, I can get rid of it. Anyway, so let's start doing this look. The first colour that I'm going to use is with a nice fluffy brush. I'm going to use this bright blue here, and I'm going to tap off any excess just in case and start putting that on. I've never actually done it this way before. This was like my first time, so it was like I was nervous about doing it because, like I said, if doing all your makeup and then all your fallout goes underneath. Keep blending that out. Got to try and match these eyes up now to look the same. That should be fun. Hey. Getting powder everywhere. Right. Let's keep going in with this blue. Oh, and the blue that I'm using is from the 35B palette. Just keep blending that in. So it looks like that, and you look like a weirdo. Right, now this next bit did actually scare me because I've never actually done this before either. But I'm going to go in with the NYX blue, cobalt blue eyeliner, and I'm going to put that just above the crease and a bit round. And it's just to darken that up. So here goes. I hate doing this. It's like scary cause if it goes wrong, and it is like eyeliner, so it's scary. But we're going to blend this in anyway. We're going to blend it in with just a brush to start off with, and then an eyeshadow, like a darker blue eyeshadow. So if you just do this all the way around and down. Like I said, this scared the hell out of me doing this, but because I've never done it. But sometimes it looks nice if you can darken that crease up. So I'm going to go with this brush here. It's just a Zovia pencil brush, and I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit first with nothing on. And I'm sorry if I'm still sniffly, but I've still got a cold. So I'm sorry guys if this is annoying. Right now you're thinking, why didn't she just do a video where she didn't actually talk in it? And I'm thinking, why didn't I? Right, anyway, so we've blended that in a little bit. I'm going to go back into the 35B palette, and we're going to go for this, like, it's like just a bit darker blue, but it will stand out a bit more just because obviously you've got the eyeliner on there. Just keep going back in. I hate doing eyeshadow though, because it always looks a mess and you think, what the hell is that? Then it starts looking better eventually, I suppose. Right, so I need to go a little bit higher with that blue, I think, because doesn't look as high as the other eye. I want to try and get them similar. I don't think I'm going to be able to get them the same, but as long as you can't tell, that's what we're looking for, really, isn't it? As long as you can't tell. Right. See, when I'm doing these looks, I don't know if I'm going to record or not. And I go in doing one eye. And then I just decide whether I'm going to record it or not. And if it looks alright, I'll record it. And I do love playing with makeup, if I'm honest. It's just scary sometimes because you don't know what the outcome's going to be. But like I said, I didn't know I was going to record this one, to be fair. What do you guys think? Does it look okay? Oh, I look alright in this, right? Twit. Yeah, a bit more of that as I told you about on that 35B. Get that blended out. But I want to try doing different things because I know there's so many people who do beauty videos. It's all about being different, so I want to be different, do something different. Right, so we're going to go back into the 35B and we're going to go for this really, really dark blue. I know this looks really, really intensely dark, but it actually isn't that dark at all. When you put it on, it doesn't seem as pigmented as the other colours. Like I expected to look like a big, massive black patch, but it didn't. Because it's so dark looking on there. It doesn't. It actually looks okay and it just goes nice with it. Right. Now, I'm going to get a little bit of concealer. Doesn't matter what concealer it is. I'm using the unique one, but it doesn't have to be that. I just use it. I don't know why. And we're going to plonk this just in the middle of this. I'm going to pat it down. I mean, I have put a snowflake on mine. You don't have to do that. I like dreaded that bit too because I thought, what if I put it on and it goes wrong? Right, so now we're going to go into the Saharan palette by Juvia. I'm going to go for this colour here, Iman. I think that's how you say it. If it's not how you say it, I apologise. But that's how it's spelt, so. Pat that down. Like that. Then we're going to take that blue again, the dark blue, out of the 35B, and just blend it in a bit better because obviously that colour goes everywhere. I can't tell whether it's a silver or like a white. I don't know. It's like a silvery white colour. Right then, now that's done, I'm going to take, I think it was a light blue I used actually, yeah. I'm going to take this light blue again, this one. Just going to go underneath. I hate this bit so much. Ugh, like getting your eye. I'm looking like a idiot. But I wanted it to be more of a, I don't know what you call it, but you know when it comes out more. I don't know what you call it. Because I was going to do it with the tape and cut it off. So it was like proper cut in, but I didn't want to do that this time. Because I wanted to get my makeup done as well. So after that, go back in with the dark blue. And just go underneath there on top of that. Darken up a little bit. Oh god, this video is going to be so long. Right, so we've done that bit now. Right then, I'm going to go in with the white eyeliner. And that's the NYX one as well. Joe, this eyeliner is okay, but it's a bit stiff. Like, it's not as, like, when you usually get gel liners, because I've started using gel liners because I get watery eyes. And usually this slide on, but this just doesn't, and it's weird. And I don't like using it, but I suppose you're going to use it, you've got to use it. Like, really thick and weird. I don't know what's wrong with it. Maybe I just got a dodgy one, or maybe I just need to dig a bit more into it. So that's really thick. And I don't like using the liquid one in the corner because it tends to crack. It's really nice to use, but it tends to crack. Right now I'm going to go across the top line with black, only because it's where your eyelashes are going to sit, and I find that if you put white eyeliner across that and your eyelashes go on, it's really, really weird. It looks wrong. So I'm going to put a thin line, and I'm going to do it off camera because the white eyeliner kind of like did me in there. So I'll be right back. Yeah, so basically I've just popped a little bit of black eyeliner just on the top of your eye, just so where your eyelashes sit and it's not going to look stupid. Now for the inner corner, I am going to go in with the NYX white eyeliner liquid, because I can't get a very good point with the gel. It's like I said, it's really thick and I don't know, it's weird. I need to work with it a bit more to see if I can get it better. Always looks weird when you've got no eyelashes on. And then I'm going to put some mascara on. It's just, mine's a right mess at the minute, this one. But I really like using it. It's a Long Lash by 17. But it's just, I like using it. But it's just a problem before the lashes go on, really. I've got a bit of white eyeliner on me lashes there. Just do that. And then I'm going to go in with, on my waterline, it's the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Gel Crayon Waterproof, and it's in I've Got Blue. And that's just going to go in here. So I'm trying to build my collection up of makeup. And that white eyeliner's just messed up. And I'm just trying to collect bits for now, like different eyeshadow palettes, etc. Like, just collecting. Right, I'm going to put my eyelashes on and I'll be right back. Okay, so all my eyelashes are on now. Both done. I didn't know what colour to use for my lips. With it being such like a dramatic look. So I've just gone into my thing and just got Urban Decay out and come back. It's like, I don't know, like a pinky, nudie colour. Just didn't know what to do because, like, don't want to, like, over dramatic, you know, like make it like overpowering there and then up there. So there, it's all done. I mean, like I said, I did do like a snowflake on that side, but you don't have to do that. That's just something I just did messing around. So there's finished Elsa look, and I hope you liked this. And if you did like this and you want to see any more like princesses done or any kind of makeup done or like certain stuff you want to use, just comment below. Please give it a big fat thumbs up if you did like this, and please subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.